Hello, today we are going to interview Sergio Ramos.
Hello, thank you for your time.
How do you feel when you mark the goal in Lisbon?
I felt the happiest man in the world because it was on the last minute and we were going to win the cup.
How do you feel being the captain of Real Madrid?
Very proud because it is the best team in the world.
What relationship do you have with your coaches?
I have very good relationship because with them I learn a lot.
Who is your best friend in Algiers in Real Madrid?
I have many friends because I haven't got best friends
Why did was to be a football player?
because I was poor and I love to play football. My father uh, working 3 months to buy me my first football table.
Did your family like you to be a football player?
They were afraid, but later they were proud.
How do you feel when you mark your first goal?
My parents felt more proud than I felt about myself. I was in a dream.
How did you play when you marked your first goal in Real Madrid?
It was in 2005 against Malaga.
What do you think of relationship between Mourinho and Casillas?
Mourinho damaged Casillas and Real Madrid in my opinion.
Okay, you are a great player. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hello, we are with Andrés Iniesta, the magician of Barcelona and Spanish media. Hello, thank you. Today you are playing against Croatia. How are you? We are Bayern and for Croatia is a big team and it will a hard match. The first 2 games you have been the best. I always try to do my best and help the team. Do you see yourself as champion of the Eurocopa? There are many thousands, Germany, France, Italy, but we will try to do it. In the Barcelona, have you made a good season?
I believe so. We have won the double championship.
After the goal at the World Cup final, you are the most beloved man in Spain. Now, did you feel?
The ball came to me and I kicked the ball as anyone had done. I was lucky because the ball got it and we won.
In the league, and then you gave a scare. What happened to you?
After so many consecutive victories, it is normal I lost a few games.
Andrés, you are a magnificent player. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hello, today we are with Brad Pitt to present his new film.
Hello.
Is this the first time that you come to Spain?
No, I usually come here in summer holidays.
What is your first? What is your favorite city you spend the holiday?
When I go to the beach, I go to Mallorca, but my favorite city is Madrid. I like the Prado Museum,
What do you like about Spain?
the good weather, the food, and Spanish women.
Do you know a Spanish director?
Yes, I met Almodóvar at the Oscar Award.
Talking about women, has the film Mr. and Mr. Smith influenced your relationship about Angelina?
When you spend many hours with a person, you finally get closer. And we decided meet out of work.
What was your first film?
In 1987, I had a small role in a hunk.
In 2013, you won the first Oscar award. What did you feel?
It is one of the best moments of my life. After several nominations, at the end, I got it.
In World War Z, is it easy to act with so many zombies?
Thanks to the good job to the makeup team do, sometimes they give you a fright.
Thank you for being with us. Bye.
My pleasure. Bye.